Hello, everybody. I'm Mariana Oliveira, early stage researcher at Retrace Project and a PhD student at University Canopy of Napoli, Italy. I'm presenting an evaluation of the ecosystem functions and benefit value of urban trees at the Metropolitan City of Napoli in Italy by a joint application of Emergy Accounting and Canopy software. The project aims to provide a multi-method integrated evaluation of the environmental costs for generation of urban forest natural capital in the metropolitan area of Napoli, the biosphere role in accomplishing crucial ecological functions and services, and the environmental value of natural capital measured by the energy required to support all living and non-living components. The Metropolitan City of Napoli, green area, located in the South Italy, launched the Ossigeno Bene Comune project, in English, Common Good Oxygen, for counteracting climate change with a technology capable of bringing well-being, improving the quality of air and life, redeveloping all territory. This technology is known by planting trees. As goal, the project aims to plant 1 tree per inhabitant with budget of $43 million for planting 3 million trees. The first applied evaluation method is iTreeCanop, an online tool which provides an analysis of urban forestry and assesses its benefits. Indeed, iTree is a land cover assessment based on the user classification of random points within the studied area. In our project, we evaluated 803 points. For each one of them, using the support of satellite image, we classified the land cover in diverse categories as agriculture land, trees, street, roof houses. The software then calculates the benefits based on the percentage of tree covered in climate conditions, estimating also monetary values based on the reduction of adversity's health effects resulting from changes in the pollutants concentration. Results show that the Metropolitan City of Napoli has currently 357 kilometers square of green areas, with an increment potential of 16% of total, more 187 kilometers square, considering as potential land cover categories as partially plantable areas, which are, in our case, parking lots, squares, or along roads, for example. We realized that this available area is just enough for planting 78% of the goal, meaning 2.34 million trees. Even without reaching the goal of planting 3 million trees, the estimated benefits are around 51%, the increment in pollutants removal and carbon sequestration. Moreover, the estimated monetary value of benefits reaches $12.4 million per year, considered from the time trees reaches maturity until the climax. We calculated a payback of 4.3 years as $12.4 or 22% of the investment. However, quoting the Nobel Prize in Physics Giorgio Parisi during his speech at the Chamber of Deputies on Climate Change, when he spoke about the relationship between economy and climate change, gross national product is not a good enough of the economy. It captures the quantity, but not the quality of growth. So, according to Parisi, economic evaluation is not enough, and we agree with him. Then, we switched from an anthropocentric to a biocentric evaluation using Emergy Accounting. EMA evaluates all work from the nature needed to produce, in our case, the ecosystem functions as CO2 uptake, avoided runoff, and the removal of particulate matter and greenhouse gases from the atmosphere. The evaluated system is shown in the diagram where renewable resources and resources from the technosphere, for example, trees, grass for mulching, diesel for transport, machinery and water, are listed. Also, the investment budget is represented by services, and the human work and need to plant trees is represented in labor. In this particular project, the labor is done by citizens individually, voluntarily, and they will receive as payment, if this term is acceptable here, by the ecosystem services offered by the new green areas. Applying EMA, it's possible to estimate the work of the biosphere to produce the evaluated ecosystem functions. Then, we are making two comparisons. The first, in terms of Emergy, converting the value of avoided costs and savings. Do you remember the result of a tree evaluation, $12.4 million? And the second, converting in monetary value the total Emergy. In both cases, we used the most recent available value for Emergy-based currency equivalent for Italy. Also, in both cases, the EMA results are 51% smaller than the economic value evaluation results. Valued in money, it is $12.4 million, but valued in Emergy, the value is $7.72 million. Showing savings, the advantage is much greater when evaluated by Emergy. In fact, by making nature do the work, we save resources, we save energy. Nature saves this difference in value by including benefits as ecosystem functions in this case, which the market value does not include. So, as output of this project, we have, first of all, to achieve 3 million trees, we should adapt the local regulations and public policies to incentivize the involvement of all stakeholders, to incentivize different strategies for public areas occupation, mainly in the old Italian city centers, and also to incentivize private spaces occupation. From the methodological perspective, the integration of methods provides different perspectives and support each other. As final remark, investing in natural capital reforestation is beneficial in terms of ecosystem functions and improve sustainability. Thank you for your attention.